students, how are you? I am fine, and I hope you are well. Very thanks to subscribe my channel, watch my video, like and share. Start now assignment number chapter number 3, EXP 25 Excel chapter number 3, mid-level 1, airport. Descriptions, project description, if any kind of assignments, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, accounting, finance, and other assignments, you contact me WhatsApp and email. Question number 1. Start Excel, download and open the file name Excel EXP 25 Excel chapter number 3, mid-level 1, airports. Grader had been automatically added your last name to the beginning of the file names. Earlier I opened the log sheets. This is log sheets, assignment file. Already this file is downloaded. Start now. Point number you want to create a excluded column chart to depict the passengers count at the 6th airport over several years. Create a cluttered columns chart for the range A4, L10. Cut the charts and paste it in cell A50. Create a cluttered columns chart for the range A4 to L10. It's okay. Cut the chart, cluttered columns, and cut the chart and paste in. It's okay. Column. Okay. This is chart. Cut and paste in A15. It's okay. I paste this. Okay dear. I chart, cut and paste in H15s. Question number 2 is complete. Start now. Question number Question number 3. I start now. You want to customize the column chart with a chart title. Display the years as a data series. Enlarge the chart to be easier to read and apply a chart style. Enter passenger count at top US airport as the chart title. I first chart title. I copy this and title. I paste. It's okay. All dear students, title is complete. Sweep the data on the categories X and in the large end. It's okay. Sweep the data on the categories X and the legends. Set a 3.5 height and 11.4 width. Width and height maintain in chart table. 3.5, 11 point, four, 11.4, 11.4. It's okay. All students, 3.5 height and width, 11.4. 11.4. This is complete. This is complete. It's okay, all dear students, and apply these styles. 7 chart style. It's okay. Chart style, chart style. It's okay, chart style complete. Question number 3 is complete. Question number 4. I increase word better to watch. I color change. The value this takes up to lot of space for the numbers. You will adjust the values access to simplify it. Change the display unit to million for the values exist. Edit the exist title to display million of passengers. Change the display unit to the million for the value exist. Passenger million of the value exist. Okay. Million of the value million. It's okay. This is million. And add the exist title to display million of passenger. This title I copy, and millions of, it's okay, million of, I paste this, it's okay. Million of passenger. Title is finally complete. Question number 4 is complete. I start now question number 5. You want to focus on the 223 data series by editing data labels. Display data labels above the columns outside and position for the 2023 data series only. Data series only. It's okay. Data label outside and it's okay, outside and for the data serial. Out of and data serial. And question number 5 is complete. Question number 5 is complete. Let's start now question number 6. Apply the light gradient. Applying a fill cover colors to the chart area will make the chart velocity visually appealing. Apply the light gradient ascent one gradient fill to the chart area. Fill grand wall is area. It's okay. Dear students, question number 6 is complete. Let's start now question number 7. Dear students, very thanks. Watch my videos.